Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will unbox review special head unit for BMW Mini Cooper 27 to 2014 years. Okay, let me unbox review. This is the shipping box. This is special cable. This is head unit and screw, and this is harness. Okay, let me show the cable at first. This is special cable and harness for BMW Mini Cooper. Please check this factory plug and this connected to head unit. And this AVX left and right cable. The mini power cable. And this is K1 and K2. K1 and K2 and the GND4 steering wheel controls, but it will decoded by the CAN system. Okay, let me show the cable. Please check. It comes with the radio antenna. This radio antenna. And this 4G antenna. This is camera input. This GPS antenna. This small speaker connect to the harness. And there are two USB cable and external microphone. Connect back to head unit. And this is 4G. This 4G SIM card slot. Connect back to head unit. And AVX audio, left and right video input. And this subwoofer, RC type, and audio out left and right front rail. Let me show the head unit screen and CD player. It comes with the CD DVD player. You can check this side of CD player. And back of head unit. You can check this power and the fuse connection, 4G GPS and radio antenna. And this volume control. This reset hole. You can check this reset hole and SD card slot. Reset hole, SD card slot, and Navy button, radio button, DVD menu, take out the CD player button. Okay. This is screen. please check the back, and please make sure this connection tight, and this connector from cable, you can connect this plug, and just pull it in and connect the from harness. Okay, and this CF6 pin for screw head unit, and you can check. Then you connect the power. The power connects the back head unit. You can check the system will. Start up, and also this button color will on with different color. Now you can check. Okay. Okay, you can check this front head unit, and please take out this screw protector before using. Already built in the screw protector. Okay, and this original this is color, any color you can adjust this screw, and all apps are here. Settings. Check the about device. Android version is Android 13. Do not watch video while driving, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car information, about device, and put the password. Others choose the 0. Reboot the system. Let me check the settings. Okay, it will show this color, and the memory is total 8GB memory, and let's check the storage. Total 128GB, and car information, and about device you can check the RAM 8GB, flash 128GB, Android 13 system. Okay, and this reset settings, this boot logo. Display theme style, you can choose a different theme style. This changes theme style, and other theme style you can also set it in the settings. Display theme style, different theme style. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. It's built in the radio car information and Play Store. You can download the application from it. Instructions. This is car later for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. Thank you.